Hello guys, I'm working on an Xbox One S, removing the HDMI port from a bad HDMI port. I just got done removing it. It's right here, might be a little hot. So this is an HDMI port that was broken from the customer on an HDMI port off of an Xbox One S. I just got done removing it. It goes right there. Show that right there to you. It goes soldered right there. All those pins. I just got done cleaning up the pads, which is all these pads right here. Now after we're done doing that, then what I do is I squirt some flux back into it. Sorry for the camera, guys. Here we go. Get that ready for the what I'll do here is I'm gonna put some flux on my hot iron. See if I can hold the board and this thing so I can show y'all. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab some of this lead-free solder, attach it to my rod there. Then I'm just gonna come right here and just lay it on the board. What this does is it fills up those pads up again with solder. So I'm just gonna see if I can get back in here. Here we go. The idea is to fill up the pads, all these pads, fill them up with like a bubble of flux. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you get plenty of that, excuse me, not flux, but solder. So you can put it back on your hot iron there and then just dab the I'm holding the camera with my you want to make sure that you don't get any of that flux, or excuse me, the solder, to where it connects two of those pads together. So that's something important that you got to keep in mind. All right, so I'm just going to put a little bit more flux on here. I'm going to apply a little bit of heat. And bubble up some of that solder. got my air kind of low so that I don't spread out all that solder throughout the board. Just kind of heat it up enough to where it melts the solder, and it kind of keeps it all in one place. Kind of really brighten up the solder. It looks pretty good right there. Okay, good. So I'm just gonna giving you guys a small glimpse of what I do here at Angel Breeze Tech Smart Repair.